This is a video on how to use Google Classroom. So when you first go in, you will have the little waffle, and that is where you would find Google Classroom. But I'm already on it, so I will leave it. I have a lot of classrooms, but you most likely will only have one classroom. This is my classroom, so this is the one that you would probably see. You just click on it and you will see stream, classwork, people, and grades. Everything that I post will be on stream or in classroom or classwork. Right now I have a demo assignment, so it's a made up assignment. That way I can show you what to do. So here is the assignment that I made up so that we can practice on it. You'll see this little clipboard, and that is your assignment. You'll also see it in classwork right here. So you'll see it in two different places. So once you see the assignment that you want, then you click on it. You see the little hand to click on. This is showing everybody that has it assigned. Most likely you won't see that part, but I do because I'm the teacher. So here is the assignment. A lot of the time you will see information on how to do the assignment in it. Right here, if you have a question to ask me about it, you can go ahead and go to class comment and click there, and you can ask something like, how do you do whatever? And once you do that, then you can click the post button, which looks just like a little airplane, a paper airplane. I'm not going to do that, but I wanted to show you how to get to it. And your comment will be posted right here in this area where I can see it. Other people will also be able to see it in the class. So this right here is the assignment. You'll see that it has it highlighted in blue when you hover over it. You just click on it and it will open up the assignment. I wrote in there, welcome to first grade. So I had already written on it, but if you get the assignment, you would be able to write on it also. So if you were going to say that you don't understand or you wanted to talk about something on whatever I posted, this says welcome to first grade. If you wanted to do a comment, you could. So you would highlight one of the words in the sentence and you would see this little box come up. It looks like a little talking box, and it says add a comment. So you would just click on that and see how the color changes. That means that you selected that word that you want to attach the comment to. And this has my name on it. Your name would appear instead of mine. So once you have that highlighted and you have clicked on that, you can actually write something in the comment box. I love first grade. I love first grade. And then you would be able to post your comment. So once you post your comment, then other people will be able to click on reply and talk that way to you through your document.